Today we'll be making a ruler and combination square holder for the workshop. It will be made from reclaimed fir from a factory building in New Bedford, Massachusetts. I'll be using rippings and cutoffs from other projects. They're pretty naughty, so I joint way more than I need so I can select around the imperfections. When I saw 1-inch thick boards off the larger pieces, they developed some pretty bad twisting. That's normal when resawing, but especially pronounced with this really naughty, crazy grain wood. So it's back to the jointer to get them straightened out. Just a couple passes and they're looking pretty good. After thicknessing them on the old Parks planer, it's on to the table saw. Here they get ripped to their final width of 2 3/4 inches. Then all three are cross-cut to 11.5 inches. To cut the angled slots that will actually hold the rulers, I start by fastening the two pieces together. Then mark out the slot locations, then cut the angled slots. Since the boards are pinned together, I know they'll be an exact match. Then they're pried apart, and I remove the brads. Now the parts get a light sanding to remove any saw cuts or other imperfections. Unroll some paper to protect the bench top from glue, and it's on to assembly. I'll be using Titebond 2 and my Metabo 15 gauge finish nail gun. I can't say enough good things about this nail gun, especially after switching from the Ryobi Airstrike finish guns. The Metabo cycles up between shots way faster and is far less bulky in your hand. The combination square holder gets a final sanding before it's time to move on to the finishing. As with most of my shop furniture and organizers, I'll be using boiled linseed oil and thinner. Finishing is my least favorite part of any project, but the boiled linseed oil makes it super easy. There's no need to worry about brush strokes or drips. You just slop it on and wait for it to penetrate in and then rag off any excess. I'm applying the oil with a 2-inch disposable brush. When I'm done, I store the brush in a recycled iced coffee cup. As long as I keep the lid on and some oil in the cup, the brush will last for months or even years. And with that, the project is finished. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, check out my channel page, and subscribe.